Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the NUMARK MIXTRAK Pro DJ controller. By the way, I purchased a couple of the other DJ mixer equipment. In case you guys missed out, you could search under my channel and then just type in DJ. So this one I want to bid at $41, but $12.07 to ship. So the total damage on this unit, it cost me $56.66, which is the most expensive of all. So let's go and then unbox this. So this is from Goodwill Retail Service Inc. So maybe somebody donate this. So much bubble wrap. By the way, this one feels like the most lightweight of all. Yeah, there's a little crack right here. Oh, it was just sticky stuff. I thought it was a crack. So it's even better. So I'm not sure why they taped this cable like that. Come with a USB cable. Oh my goodness. Cost more, create more stickiness right here. And then they didn't even bother to clean this up. Like a stain right there, and then all the knob, kind of like a yellowish thing on there. Hopefully it's not gonna mess up the tuning or whatever. What? Oh my goodness. They must be spill some drink or something because this button is not even working right. But it's supposed to be tactile like that. Might put some oh gosh. Yeah. The manual and then reloop is not working. Try to open it up, clean it up. supposed to sound like that. So this one has a headphone and then a microphone right here. There's your gain control right here, minimum, and clockwise to get the maximum. And you got the NUMARK branding on the side. There's your USB, and you got the input RCA jack 1, input 2. And then that's it. This one's made in China. It says November 2010. There's supposed to be 6 of the rubber feet, but I only got one is missing right here on this side. We'll see you guys try to take this one out. Yeah, there you go, it came out. Cool. So the only thing I need to fix is these 2 buttons right here. Yeah, I'm gonna connect to the software. Make sure it works. Alright. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.